coloring book has generated over $1,500,000 in sales and is something you can easily create at home using AI. You can make life-changing money online by creating and selling these coloring books on online websites like Amazon. I'll walk you through how to generate ideas using ChatGPT, how to turn those ideas into art using Midjourney AI, and how to piece your coloring book together to list for sale on Amazon. Now, you can estimate how much a product has made based on the number of reviews it has received. For example, this product has 15,117 reviews at $10 per book, so we know that they made at least $150,000 in sales from this book. But, on average, only about 3 to 10% of customers leave reviews, meaning that this product could have made upwards of $1.5 million if only 10% of the customers left reviews. Another product has similar reviews. This is a pattern coloring booking with roughly the same number of reviews and the same price. Hence, we can see how these simple designs are making people a lot of money. So now that we know that with ChatGPT ideas, you can make money by selling coloring books online, we first need to find a topic to make our coloring book about. I'm going to ask ChatGPT for 10 popular adult coloring book ideas and see what it comes up with. A lot of the popular ideas it will come up with usually involve nature or some kind of animal. I decided to choose the geometric patterns because such designs sell very well and are very useful and recommended for therapeutic purposes. I then asked ChatGPT to make me a title for a coloring book about the geometric pattern style I chose. Next, I asked what the 50 most popular geometric patterns were for a coloring book. Now we have a good list of different design ideas for our coloring book. With a long list of design ideas, our next step is going to be to head over to Midjourney, where we can generate our designs. In order to sell the images we create commercially, you need to have the basic plan for Midjourney, which is $10 a month. You can also use other free alternatives like Blue Willow and Leonardo AI. To create our first image, we're going to type /imagine and type coloring page for adults. Then insert the name of one pattern from the list we created, white background, clean line art, fine line art, and then add HD and R2x3. Then just hit enter. Midjourney is going to generate 4 different designs for us. Below these designs, you can hit the U1 through U4 buttons to upscale a selected design. For example, U1 would upscale the first image. You can select V1 to V4 to create new variations similar to your selected design. For example, V1 will create 4 new variations of the first image. In this case, I like the 4th image, so I'm going to hit U4 to upscale it. So now we have our image, which we're going to save to our computer for later. I'm going to repeat this process until I have several designs of different geometric patterns from the list that ChatGPT generated. Once you have all your images, you can head to a free website to upscale your images and make them higher quality. This is an important step, as the pages of your book need to be of high quality, otherwise, customers may leave negative reviews. Just drag and drop your image, hit submit, and download the output image, which will be much higher quality. Do this for each design you plan to include in your book. Now that we have all the images, we need to piece them together to create our coloring book. We can do this by using a free design website called Canva. To start, create a design with custom dimensions of 8.5 by 11, which is the standard paper size. Then, drag and drop the images you created using Midjourney AI and add them to a page. Make sure the designs are centered and are a good size. You can also add some borders to your pages using the different designs available in the Elements tab. This is optional, so feel free to play around with different elements to make your book look professional. I have added the design and the name of the design below it. Once your page is done, you're going to repeat this step, creating a new page for each of your designs. After completing this, you need to create a title page, a back page, and a glossary. For the glossary, go ahead and make a new page at the end and add every image to this page and shrink them. Then, just add some text below each image describing it and indicating which page it can be found on. For example, fractal pattern, page 5. This will allow the reader to find the specific image they want. At the back of our book, to create our cover, we first need to go to the Amazon KDP cover calculator and see what dimensions we need. The dimensions of your cover will be different depending on how many pages your book has. For example, my book is 51 pages, and the calculator shows me I need a cover that is 17.365 by 11.25. So create that file on Canva. Now we need to head back to Midjourney AI to make a thumbnail for it. I had mine be a multicolored paisley pattern with a black background for the cover. Then I just upscaled it like we did earlier and added it to my cover. The right side of your file will be the front cover, and the left side will be the back cover. For the front page, I simply added my thumbnail and scaled it to fit properly. Then I set the background to match the image color, which is black, and created a title for my book. For the back cover, I added an example of one of the illustrations in the book and included a short description detailing what the book is about and what the reader will find. If you're struggling with the design process, you can always go to Amazon and look at similar products to get inspiration. When you're done creating your coloring book, simply go to Amazon KDP, where you can start listing your product for sale. You can start by creating an Amazon KDP account. These are the steps to list your book on Amazon KDP. You can also list and sell the book on other platforms, such as Etsy or your own e-commerce store. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.